There's a rule about triangles that comes in handy sometimes. It's the exterior angle measure. It tells us the measure of the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of the two opposite interior angles. Okay, so here's my triangle. This is my exterior angle they're talking about. And I know it's going to be equal to the sum of these two interior angles if I were to put them together here. Okay, so let's write this out. The exterior angle would be 3x minus 40, and I know that's equal to these two angles, so that's going to be x plus 20. So let's solve this. I'm going to have 3x minus 40 equals, when I put my x's together, I get 2x plus 20. I'm going to take my letters to the left. So I'm going to subtract 2x here. I get x minus 40 equals 20. Then I'm going to take my numbers to the right. Which means I'm going to add 40 to both sides. And I'm going to get x equals 60. So now I could figure these out. I know that this angle is going to be 60. I know that this angle is 60 plus 20, which is 80. And I know that this one is going to be 60 plus 80 together, which is 140, because it's equal to these two added together. Or you can just plug 60 in here and do 3 times 60 minus 40. Let's look at something about circles. Inscribed angles. Okay, that's an angle that is drawn into a triangle and its vertex, or into a circle, I'm sorry, and the vertex is on the edge of the circle. Any angle inscribed in a circle has a degree measure of half of that of its intercepted arc. In other words, let me get a highlighter here. Here's my angle, okay? If this is x, then the angle measure is going to be half of x divided by 2. Let's look at this one. So here's my inscribed angle here. Okay, so if this is 90, then that is half of this angle all the way around. Okay, where it touches both sides here, that arc would be 180. The little one inside is half of the arc. So this arc we called x, this angle would be x over 2. It's just one of the rules that will be helpful in solving your homework.